In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison between TapTap Send and NALA to help you decide which app is leading the way in African remittances. Both apps focus on making money transfers to Africa, affordable and fast, but they each have distinct features. TapTap Send is a popular choice for sending money to several African countries. It offers zero transfer fees and competitive exchange rates, particularly for mobile money services. TapTap Send's simplicity and speed make it a top choice for sending funds to countries like Kenya, Ghana, and Nigeria, with transfers often completed within minutes. NALA, on the other hand, focuses on simplifying bank-to-bank transfers to Africa. It supports multiple currencies and provides transparent pricing with low fees. NALA has strong connections with local African banks, making it a great option for sending larger amounts of money directly to bank accounts across the continent. If you're looking for mobile wallet transfers and a simple, no-fee experience, TapTap Send may be your best bet. But if you prefer bank transfers with lower fees, NALA could be the right app for you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.